So might have come across a problem of creating your content, and the content has to be created at speed, and it has to be high quality, but you don't know how you can automate it, how you can create it at a better quality at a high speed. So well, here I am. In this video, I'll show you how you can create better quality content for your Instagram, for your TikTok, and also that videos can be utilized across your Amazon stores or e-commerce stores. So we will see how I work and create those videos. So let's get into it. So the first thing we need to understand that we need to provide some content to the whole setup. And before I continue, I also want to talk about that this whole setup I created is using the cloud code. So it's fetching APIs and MCP. So it basically depend upon the APIs and MCP server of different platform that I'm going to talk about, and it communicate between them, and then it create me a final video that can be utilized within the TikTok, Amazon, or on the Instagram. So first, for accuracy part, here I have input some raw material and brand kit, which include product photos, voice, tone. So I created one folder, and under that folder, I provided all the details related to my brand. So whenever the AI goes to and fetch the information, it should be relevant to my product. So this is the most important part. You need to make sure that you provide all of your content material. It includes your photos, it includes your videos, it includes the content about your product. You can create a one simple page document and include all the title bullet points, and also include the product information. So all the information goes to that one document, and whenever I try to create one video, it will utilize this document as a base file. So the product output would be really high enough. This is what the one most consistency that we need to keep in mind. Then the step will be followed from the pre-production, where this cloud will give me the suggestion of ideas, some of the ideas that I can work on, that I can create, and it will come up with three ideas based on my product type. So it will come up with those ideas. Once I approve it, then it will drop me a script. I will go through the script and I'll see if it makes sense. I'll manually approve that script, because this is the most important part. If you blindly allow the AI to create the video for you, it will somehow create the video which will burn out your credits, and also the video will be not high quality. So you need to make sure that you give at least 1 to 2 minutes to overview the script, and it's not a long script, it's a short to the point script of each clip that the AI is going to generate, and just manually overview it. Then what it does, once we have those scripts ready, then it will go to the Higgs field brief and prompt library. So I have installed a skill within this cloud, and what this skill does is basically is working based on those skills, and the skills have information about the hex field and also about the video creation. So it analyzes the video motions, the clips, the dynamics, the cinematics, and how the video should be, and also the camera angles. So it's basically trained on this. So whenever I have the script ready, then it goes to the hex field brief and prompt library to optimize that script and make sure that their script is optimized for the video. I'm mostly using Sedans 2.0 right now at a moment. So whenever we have a more once we have a more advanced version, then we will utilize those. But for now, the Sedans 2.0 create a good video, so I'm mostly using that. So we will optimize the prompt over here. Once we have this ready, then it will go to the production stage, where we are using the MCP, the Hicksfield MCP. So we can use it. Let me show you briefly what does it mean. So yeah, here is the Higgs field, and here is the MCP and CLI. So you can connect this. You need to go over here, and then well, you can use the CLI, or a skill as well. So this is the skill that I briefly explained here in this. So this prompt library, what you need to do is just install this skill and let the cloud know that this is the skill they need to based on whenever they come up with their ideas. So it's quite enough because it gives you the high quality video, the script basically, and this is something the Hicksfield promote. And I'm using this MCP. So well, you can also use the CLI, but mostly I'm using this MCP, and it says that you can use the CLI, but I'm currently using this MCP. So it's up to you. You can use both. If it says CLI, then try to use CLI. Well, the basics is same. It's just you whether you want to use the CLI or MCP. Yeah. So once we have those clip generated, then it will go to the caption and voiceover generation phase. So the captions are basically generated. First, the voiceover is generated, and then the captions are generated. So once this phase is generated, then it goes to the edit phase, and it's using all of those clips that we have generated through AI through here. It will compile here and also add the voiceover and caption and matching those voiceover and caption with one another. And I have specifically defined what type of caption and the voiceover I need. So whenever I'm trying to create the video, it will keep those caption and voiceover same for me, following the same pattern. And it will use the FFmpeg to compile all those clips and voiceover and caption, and in the end it will give me a publish video ready to post. So it will be roughly from 10 to 30 seconds of video, mostly UGC type content, but it depends upon how you want the idea. If let's say in idea phase it's you identified that you need a UGC, so it will come up with a UGC. If you identified no, I need the more general video, product demo type videos, so it will also come up with those videos. So you have to basically define it what type of videos you need, and the whole script will follow. You don't need to open Hicksfield. The whole process will follow itself. So once this phase is being done, then it will go to the pre-qualification, pre-publish quality check phase, where I'll manually review that video. So this phase is very important because you cannot blindly post to social media. If you do that, it will kill your reputation. So you need to basically um, uh, have a quality check over here, and if it passed the quality check, then it goes to the publish phase. So from here, once I see that yeah, these are passing, then it goes to publishing phase. If it fails, then we go again to the pre-production phase for that specific clips that I need to be changed. So then is go through the whole process again, give me the clips, and then I say okay, we need to update it. So this is the whole process. Let me quickly show you how I created. So basically I created it in anti-gravity, and this is the whole content engine. This I created it, so it can be utilized across for every brand. So yeah, this is it from this video. I hope you guys have some sort of understanding how you can do it. If you want the practical implementation of how I did it, so I can also create another video and show step by step how I practically create this video. So let me know if this is something you want. If I get a lot of comments and if I feel fair enough that it should be the next step, then I'll go through and create a step by step process of how you can do it. But basically, you have an idea of how you can achieve it. So yeah, this is it from this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more, and stay tuned for more such content. This is it from this video. Bye for now.